Hello Odooers. Today we will discuss about the how to print MRP report by category via manufacturing module. Here is our module Dev MRP report by category. Install for click on activate button. Now our module is installable. Go to manufacturing menu. And you can see here multiple manufacturing orders. Go to any orders. Go to print menu. And you can see here production order by category. Click on this menu. And you can see here different category wise product like office furniture and consumable. Thanks for watching this video.